Friends, today I am going to teach you a new poem, The Squirrel. It is a very small and simple poem, and it is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Uh, the rhyme scheme of the poem is A B C B D B. Now first I will give you the brief introduction of the poem. The poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel. You know who is squirrel? Squirrel is a very fast paced animal. You have seen the squirrel so many times in the gardens, near the trees. In this poem, the poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that it is a innocent, naughty, and likes to tease anyone. Means she wants to have fun with everyone who comes near him, and its tail looks like a question mark. उसकी टेल ऐसे लगती है जैसे पीछे कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा हो. In this flow chart, I will explain the I have given the brief characteristics of the squirrel, in which sits in an upright position and likes to eat nut. इसका फर्स्ट करेक्टर है कि वो सीधी बैठी है और नट्स खा रही है. इट लाइक्स टू टीज एंड प्ले, वो बच्चों को छेड़ती है, फन वे में टीज करती है एंड खेलती है उनके साथ. अ नॉटी एंड इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल हुज टेल इज लाइक अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक वो बहुत ही नॉटी और शरारती सा एनिमल है और उसकी टेल ऐसे दिखती है जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क हो. नाउ न्यू वर्ड्स दैट कम इन द पोएम आई विल एक्सप्लेन. क्वेश्चन मार्क फॉर अ टेल means the tail which looks like a question mark. Overcoat of grey. Overcoat of grey means the squirrel appear wearing a grey coat. Grey coat means grey fur. उसकी hide, उसकी skin. Tease, to make fun of. Now the questions for you to solve in this poem are: find out the synonym of coat and tease from the dictionary, and try to make questions with WH family like what, when, where, whom, why and how. Now let us read the poem with me. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on a ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of just a squirrel. इस poem में पोएट ने बोला है कि यू हैव सीन अ स्क्वायरल सो मैनी टाइम्स सिटिंग ऑन अ ग्राउंड में बैठी हुई नट्स खा रही है, वो कैसी लगती है. पोएट कैसे डिस्क्राइब करता है स्क्वायरल को. नाउ लेट अस रीड इन द पोएम. ही वोर अ क्वेश्चन मार्क फॉर अ टेल. उसके हर टेल, द टेल ऑफ अ स्क्वायरल लुक्स लाइक अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. व्हाई इट लुक्स लाइक अ क्वेश्चन मार्क? इट इज़ नॉट, ये नहीं कि वो क्वेश्चन मार्क है, क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है, बट इट इज़ बेंट लाइक दिस दैट इट लुक्स लाइक अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ही वोर एन ओवरकोट ऑफ ग्रे. हर बॉडी इज कवर्ड विद ग्रे स्किन. उसका कोट, हेयर द पोएट हैज़ यूज द वर्ड कोट फॉर अ स्किन. उसकी स्किन जो है वो ग्रे कलर की है. He sat up straight to eat a nut. Sits in an upright position on a branch of a tree and eats nut. वो ट्री की ब्रांच में बैठी हुई है और नट्स खा रही है. He likes to tease and play. In this line, the poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that it is innocent and naughty and like to tease anyone who comes near him. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Here the poet explains us that the squirrel is in a very happy mood. She feels very happy and lively. The squirrel is a very happy and lively animal, very active animal, and loves to play with the poet and her friends. Whenever they ran around his tree, he would run to the other side of the tree. Means he wants to play hide and seek with the poem. He is a fun loving animal, fast paced animal, and wants to play hide and seek game with the poet, and poet also enjoys his company. This is a short poem, very interesting poem. Tomorrow we will do the back exercise of the poem. Thank you.